What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. First story of the day is about the Galaxy Note 20, Note 20 Ultra. When you get this phone, you'll have a shiny new software update waiting for you when you have the phone in hand. One has been pushed out already for people that have the phone. So what you can expect from this update is, we don't really know, but it's basically it's probably just bug fixes and things like that. The update is about 493 megs, and the update itself just says a software update can include, but is not limited to, device stability improvements, and new or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. It's probably, again, nothing too crazy because the update's not that large. It's probably bug fixes and security fixes. If you have a Galaxy S20 and we run it at 120 hertz, you'll notice that you can't run it at max resolution. Well, what about the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus? That also has 120 hertz. Will we be able to run that at maximum resolution and 120 hertz? Yes! Yes, you can. SamMobile.com is reporting that you can run 120 hertz maximum refresh rate and maximum resolution on the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. That means 2800 by 1752. It will work. This is awesome. This is amazing. Finally, I don't know why Samsung hasn't done it on their other devices, but this does have a Snapdragon 865 Plus. And right when you get this tablet, you'll be able to run it 120 hertz max resolution. And the last story of the day is about the Galaxy Z Fold 2. We have a real hands-on video. This comes from Ben Geskin. I'm gonna hit play right now. And it makes me, like, you can just see it looks so premium when they're opening and closing it and showing this off. It looks really large in his hands right there when it's completely wide open. Even when it's closed, it looks really long and slender, but just beautiful screen. This is going to be a crazy, amazing device. People that have the Fold 1, I think you probably already know more about this. I haven't really played with this phone, so the Fold 2 obviously is a refinement, an improvement. Huge display on the back and the front, inside and the front. I'm just totally stoked about this, guys. What about you? Does that video make you want it more? It makes me want it more. Even though they're just literally opening and closing it, just seeing the video and the quality of it, I'm like, damn, that thing looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace. Here's a little bonus thing. It's not really a bonus, but I mean, I feel bad because he lost his YouTube channel. Fellow tech YouTuber, Front Page Tech. He got hijacked. They lost their whole YouTube channel, their Gmail, their G Drive, Google Drive, all of that information. They got hijacked, taken over by somebody. They lost all of it. He has started another channel. I'm gonna link it down below. Check it out. Subscribe to him. Support him. This sucks. And this could happen to anybody. It could happen to me. It could happen in Tech with Brett. It could happen with Josh Quinones. It could happen with Tech Odyssey, buddies of mine. And so let's support him if you haven't, or if maybe you subscribe to him, check it out and just support him. Tell him Greggles TV sent you. And let's get the positivity back in the air. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one.